Hi, I'm Carrie Capone, the founder of The Spinning Hand. Thank you so much for diving into the adventure of knitting, level 2, hat and mitts. So if you are at this level, you already know how to cast on, how to do the knit stitch, how to do the purl stitch, and how to bind off. And if you don't know how to do those things yet, no big deal. I want you to take a look at our Learn to Knit ebook. I've put the link down in the notes below. And I want you to just familiarize yourself, get some practice in, because level 2 brings us to knitting in the round with circular needles and even knitting with double pointed needles. I want you to have as much foundational knitting knowledge as possible so that you can glide more easily into level 2. If you run into a sticky point and you get frustrated, put it down, take a lap, and sometimes I've even had to put my new projects in timeout for a day or a week or several weeks and then pick them back up again. But if you've done all that and you've watched the videos and you really are stuck, don't hesitate to email us. Caitlin or I will be there and we'll be able to get you through, either by sending you a new video, even jumping on a video call with you, or just emailing you through it. So there's nothing that we can't figure out when it comes to knitting. And be patient with yourself and be gentle with yourself. Okay,